Can you pull it up? Like, you need more hands than I've got. Ready? Yeah.
So here we have the absolutely wild MSO Mercedes-McLaren SLR HDK, standing for High Downforce Kit. We've got this wild military-inspired shark nose livery on the front, reminiscent of those early fighter planes. Carbon fibre everywhere, inside and outside, painted rivets. Really, really cool build, this one. Those MSO touches even on the wheels. Single exit side exhausts, honey badger. Just some crazy details on this car. We'll have a look inside. Get that door open. We've got more honey badger emblems on the inside. This one also has the fire it up button to start the car up, which is pretty fun. And then behind the seats also satin carbon. And then this little plaque that reminds you the car is one of 12 MSO HDK SLRs. The silhouette of the car stitched into the headrest as well, which is pretty cool. Those arches are just crazy. And then checkered flag on the spoiler. And look at those under there, some crazy, crazy details you'd never see. Also wild to think this car costs £280,000 on top of the standard SLR.